Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change email in Bybit. So let's get started with it. Open your Bybit application and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logged in, go and tap on your profile image at the top left-hand corner. And now, from this page, go ahead and tap on the security option. Right under security, you'll be able to see several options. Go ahead and tap on the change email button. In order to change your email, you can unlink your current registered email or change to a new email. Go ahead and select one of the options. Here I'm going to choose change my registered email since I'm going to change my email address. So in order to change your email address, you'll first need to enable Google 2FA authentication. Go ahead and do it right now by enabling this button right next to Google 2FA authentication. You'll then need to go ahead and open up your current registered email address, and in the inbox, you should receive an email authentication code. Go ahead and look for this code and type it in the box. Now on the next page, it'll tell you to install Google Authenticator app on your phone. Click the continue button and then you'll be able to see a key displayed on the screen. You can then copy the key by tapping on this little copy key button at the right corner and click next. Now, go ahead and download the Google Authenticator application on your device, or if you already have it, go ahead and launch it open. Now tap the plus icon at the bottom right and then click on enter a setup key. You can go ahead and give in the account name. I'm going to enter Bybit, and in the key tab, go ahead and paste in the key that you just copied and tap on add. Soon after you saved the authenticator code, you'll be able to see the 6-digit codes generated from Bybit. You can then go ahead and tap on the code and then enter it inside the text box. After you do that, you have successfully set up Google Authenticator. Now you can easily change your email. Tap on the email option under change password and click on change my registered email, and then click on OK. Enter your new email in the first text box, and on the next field, tap on Get Code. You'll then need to enter the verification code sent to your current email address. So go ahead and launch it open and copy the code that is received and paste it inside the email verification code text box. Once you do that, you'll then need to go ahead and enter the verification code that is sent on your current email address. Tap on Get Code and wait until you receive it. Again, make sure to copy this code and paste it inside the email verification code. This email verification code will be sent on your current email address that is associated with Bybit. And then again, you'll need to enter the Google Authenticator code. So get back to the Google Authenticator app, tap on the Bybit code, and then paste it inside the Google Authenticator text field. And finally tap on OK. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your email address successfully. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the new email that you just changed to. Also make sure to enter your password correct. And finally tap on Login Now to log in with your new email address. So that is how you can easily change your email in Bybit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.